welcome everyone to a new vlog with us here in Caracas, Venezuela. We are finally at the airport and ready to depart to our next destination, which is our final destination in this trip, which is Brazil. I'm super excited. We are going to Lima, there's a stop, and then to the capital of Brazil, which is Brasilia, and finally to Rio de Janeiro. I cannot wait to explore the city. Look at the happiness. We are traveling for 16 hours and we are still happy to do so, because not only is this going to be our final memory visiting a continent in South America, a country, but it would also be most memorable for us because we heard so much about Rio and the mountains and the ruins. We are super excited to visit everything. We are finally at our boarding gates. That is our flight there. We're just ready to go through a final security check and then head
please.
to...
Passport and boarding pass.
Yeah.
Boarding pass, passenger.
Yes.
Please.
So we're just about to head in. I'm super excited for Brazil. Come on, let's head in. Here's the first leg of our flight. We are in Brasilia, our second stop for the day. We have a halt where we will be collecting our bags and then moving on to our destination, which is Rio de Janeiro. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You can see it, I'm super sleepy, but I don't think anything is gonna dull this light. Pardon. But look at that, it's such a cute airport. So let's rush. Catch you soon. We are at our boarding gates to our final destination, Rio de Janeiro. We are super exhausted. However, we are so excited and looking forward to visiting Rio. That's our aircraft and this is the huge line. It's a full flight. I think everybody wants to visit Rio. It's a good time to visit because it's cold and it's not too warm. Usually Rio is really warm. It's going to be fine for us because we're used to the low temperatures, especially from La Paz, where it was like -1. So looking forward to 24 degrees. We are finally at Rio de Janeiro airport. We're super exhausted. However, this is our most awaited destination in our South American tour. Can we like look any more excited? I am super happy to finally be ending our trip here in Brazil. But for now, let's go to our Airbnb at Copacabana. It's near the beach, and if time permits, we're going to be visiting more of the city. So let's go. So we finally decided to come to the Yapstar, which is a Ferris wheel here in Rio, and thought let's explore the city. What if the weather goes bad? So let's make the most of it, head out there and take our tickets. So we got our tickets to go on the Ferris wheel. Come join us. I think there is a cafe over there. It's rumored to have really good bagware. I don't know how it's pronounced. Pardon me for the mispronunciation.
Pardon my French.
Pardon my ass. And you can take a bubble too. Glass of bubble, wine, whatever you wish.
So we have finally reached the top of Rio Gigante, and look at the views over here. Oh my god. This is the port of Rio, and this side you can see the whole city of Rio. Over there on the top of that mountains where the clouds are, that's where the statue of Christ the Redeemer is. The views are lovely from here.
So we are back from our Ferris wheel trip to the top. It was fantastic. We could see almost everything except Rio de Janeiro statue, that is Christ the Redeemer. We couldn't see that, but apart from that, it was so worth it. We finished our tour of the Upstar. We are on our way to Aqua Rio, so come join us, looking at the fishes. And also there's something called Sea of Mirrors. I'm pretty fascinated to know more how it would look like, because I've seen Sea of Mirror in Melbourne. So yeah,
Let's go check it out.
yes, let's go check it out. So we are now at the entrance of Aqua Rio. Look at this. Is this you? So let's go head in and explore. Look at that. So many of me and so many of you. Mirror selfie, what's that? So I think this is...
Now this looks like a tunnel going down, but it's actually not because of the mirror. You can see the reflection going down.
It's funny, no?
And it's just this part which is actual, the other is just a non-existing reality.
Look at the theme. I think the sound is how they're deciding. The sound and the light. Is this the sunlight room? It's so bright. We have now arrived at Museum of Tomorrow, or Museu de Amanhã in Portuguese. Pardon my Portuguese pronunciation, I'm really trying my best. So let's head over inside and see what the museum is all about. We do not really know, since we did not do our research. We only went via word of mouth. So let's check it out.
And this place is really amazing.
I think that's the naval base.
That's the naval base just right there.
It's picturesque.
And that's a setup for a festival. That's the harbor area.
I think we have our sunset.
And beside that is the airport. So now let's go inside and see. It's a really nice place to chill out in the evening.
And look at that, that's Sonic the Hedgehog. So cute.
So finally our day has come to an end. That was our first day in Rio. We literally just landed a few hours ago and visited a few places nearby as well. I'm really in love with the place. Really love the people around here. Really very helpful. The place is like really attractive. Rio is obviously one of the most famous places in Brazil to visit. And after this we are just gonna head back home. That's the beautiful sunset here. It's around like 5 o'clock. Around 5 o'clock in the evening, and we are about to head home, have some dinner, and then prepare for the next day. So thank you so much for being with us today, guys. So that is all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed our journey from Venezuela to Brazil. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.